We can now discuss the APG Cache Drawer OPOS installation. Setting up the APG Cache Drawer requires 3 files that are attached to the help article here. A link to this article can be found below. If you have already installed an Epson TM-T88 printer, then you do not have to do the following steps. Microsoft POS and EverLogic config installations are the same. You will still need to install the APG Cache Drawer SDK files. Locate the zipped file named EverLogic DMS EXE and extract all. The path should default to C/users/name of the logged in user /downloads/EverLogic DMS EXE as shown here. Right-click and copy the file within this new folder. Next, you will want to locate the EverLogic DMS folder by typing $APPDATA into the File Explorer. Then double-click the EverLogic DMS folder to access it. Right-click and paste the file into this folder. Next, you'll want to return to your Downloads folder and locate POS for .NET 1.14.1 file. Double-click on the file to run it and then click Next. Click the checkbox to accept the license terms and then click Next. Select No Thanks, then click Next and click Next again. Make sure that the Runtime Components is selected and then click Install. Click Yes. Click Finish after the installation is complete. Close all programs and reboot your computer. You can now connect the APG Cache Drawer via USB. Next, you will want to locate the APG Cache Drawer compressed file. Right-click on the file and select Extract All. Make note of the path of the destination folder, then click Extract. Double-click on the APG Cache Drawer SDK folder. You can review the instructions if you'd like, but for now we will continue by opening the Installation Files folder to continue with the setup of the cache drawer. Click the Setup Application file to begin installation. Click Yes on the UAC warning. The company logo will appear for a brief time and will be followed by an automatic process. Click Next when the automatic process is complete. Read the license terms and click Accept. Key the username and company name and then click Next. Continue to click Next through the following screens. At this point, the automation ends. We now need to set up the cache drawer in your EverLogic workstation. Go to the System Setup tab and click Workstation. Click the This Workstation button. Access the Point of Service tab. Key CD554 as the OPOS name, then click Save.